In this video I want to show you exactly how we turned this unused empty space into a flourishing organic permaculture vegetable garden. First, what we had to do, we had to get rid of all of these stinging nettles and loads of weeds in there as well, and plenty of rubbish in with all the stinging nettles. It took quite a while, but well worth it. Now things got a little bit harder. There were years worth of roots under the ground, massive stones that we got rid of using this sieve over here. I think someone even had a greenhouse under here at one point because we were finding a lot of glass. And now for a few finishing touches, and we're nearly there. You can see, to create better soil after we've got rid of all of the roots and stones, we mixed in some of our compost. Now you can buy compost if you want, but to have a permaculture garden you don't really want to have the waste of the bags, or you just don't want to have to buy it really, when you can just save all your kitchen waste and just put it in a massive hole. You can see over here we've got our hole here, and every year I come back there's more compost in here. I'm going to show you a really quick clip of when we made these vegetable beds over here, and it turned out really well, and it was pretty easy as well. There's loads of benefits to vegetable beds, like you get less weeds, you need less compost to mix in with the soil, you need less nutrients for your plants, and you don't have to water as much as well, because all the water will just get captured in the beds. Planning of your garden is a key to mastering a small space, guys. You can see we've got a wildflower section here, so it's out of the way. Now comes the planning part, guys. What do you want to grow and where do you want to put it? Now, for example, down here you can see we've got some beetroots in here in our tomato patch. And the reason for that is the beetroots don't need too much light, but the tomatoes will outgrow them. We can cut off the bottom leaves of the tomato plants. That'll give them just enough light to grow pretty big, hopefully. Now, we would always recommend starting your plants inside, even on a windowsill, before you even get your garden started, to be honest. Because when they go outside you want them to be nice and strong. You don't want to put them outside and then the slugs are just going to eat them, you know. Like all of that effort just for the seedlings to get eaten, it won't be very fun. But once they're about a month old, they'll probably be fine to go outside, and there's a few little slug stopping techniques from some of my other videos I'm sure you'll be able to pick up. On to the permaculture. Now, first things first, guys, create your own compost. It is a really big key to being self-sufficient as well, I find, when it comes to growing our vegetables. A great tip as well, get yourself a water butt, guys. You don't have to be spending money on water to water your plants every single day, and you can just collect it. Another great way to have a permaculture garden. So when we have any garden waste as well, we like to burn it, and that will also go in the compost, so that's just more nutrients for next year. And also, guys, don't forget to save your seeds from all your tomato plants, or any plants for that matter. I can't remember the last time I actually bought seeds, to be honest, but save all of your bottles, just empty plastic bottles. They are perfect cloches or pots for your plants the next year. Now, if you have stinging nettles growing near you, make sure to keep them. Cut off the tops, put them into your water butt or anything. It's just the perfect nutrients for all of your vegetables. It's got everything they need pretty much. Now all of your plants are planted in the ground. That's pretty much all of the hard work done. Just got to make sure to check them daily, water them pretty much daily. You might be able to get away with it sometimes. And then all that will be left is you pick your fruits and vegetables, guys. It'll be one of the best things you've ever done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep watching.